The first question that we have for today is on mass. Okay, it's on what? Mass. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So let's say measuring mass. Measuring. When I said mass, I did not mean mathematics, okay, but mass, okay. So when you talk about mass, you're talking about how heavy the something is. Is that clear?
Yeah.
For example, if you collect your school bag and there are lots of books and textbooks, notebooks, anything, they are there, and it's very heavy. You say, "Oh, this bag is so heavy," right?
Mm.
That means the bag contains some substances, and you can place it on a scale to get, you know, the how heavy it is, how the amount of mass it contains. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Jamie is cooking pasta. He weighs 350 grams of pasta. Draw an arrow on the scale to show 350 grams. All right. So let's look at this. This, I don't know if I can zoom it a bit. Okay, can you still see it now? Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, while I zoom it, I'm going to zoom it back because of the notation, but let me just get a picture of it so that we can work with that picture. So, can you see the bigger part now? This is now a bigger scale. So, we want to draw an arrow to show 350 grams. So, how can we do that? We just take the measurement. The arrow is going to come from the. Okay, let me use an arrow that should be a tiny arrow, so to speak. This arrow won't go that way. So let me use a line. Can you see this? Can you see the
Yes.
black line here? So this is the pointer that I'm going to use to measure 350. So this is 0, this is 100, okay? 200, 300, and 400. And between 300 and 400 lies 350. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So
It
I'm
is.
going.
Is it like a clock?
No, yeah, it's like a clock, but it's for measuring mass. Okay,
Okay.
good. So 300, 20, 40, 60, 80. Let me check it. 20, 40, 60. Wow, that means halfway should be 50. Okay, so each one is 25, 50, 75, 100. Is that clear? Then
Yes.
125, 150, 175, 200, 275, 250, 225, 250, 275, and 300. But we're going to 350, so 225, then this is 350. So it's going to point at this place, okay? So this is 350. Is that clear?
Yes.
So this will be the arrow head that I want to draw. So draw the arrowhead to mark at 350. So that means the substances that are in this pan, okay, they weigh 350. So if I add more, this arrow will shift. Is that clear?
Yes.
Then if I remove from it, then the arrow will shift upward, okay? And if I remove everything, the arrow shifts back to center, which is 0. Is that clear?
Yes.
But if I keep adding more, it keeps going until maybe it can break the scale. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so that's the first one. And look at the second one. It says all the water in these two containers is to be poured into the empty container below. Draw the level, draw where the water level will be in the container. Okay, we have to add up the water, the volume of the water. Is that clear?
Yes.
So the first one is 300 ml, 300 milliliters. This one is 300 ml. Then the second one is 450 ml because it's between 400 and 500. Is that clear?
Yes.
So 450. Okay. Now, if this is 300 and that other one is 450, then we have to add them together for this one because we want to pour it there. So this half a liter is 500. Okay.
Okay.
Half a liter is 500 ml, while 1 liter is 1000 ml. So let us check the addition of 300 and 450. So 300 ml plus plus 450 ml. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Plus 450 ml. That will give us what? This is 0, this is 5, this is 7. That will give us 750 ml. So if this is 250 ml and this is 750 ml. So if we pour the water in these two containers into the bigger container, it's going to stop at that level of at that level where the 750 mark is. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So can you see if we pour the water there, that is where it will be. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is how to get this one done. So I'm going to give you some time now to, you are not going to, what you're going to do is to write out the question, okay, for the first one. So you write out this question 16. Then you will now draw the face of the scale, only the face, okay?
Okay.
You draw the face. After drawing the face like this, you are now going to, like you want to draw a clock, but you're not going to label that clock with you're not going to label it with numbers of a clock, but you're going to copy these numbers. Is that clear? That means you put 0, then you put 100, you put 200, 300, 400, then 500 at the center, 6, 7, 8, 900, then back to 0. Okay? Then
Okay.
you draw your arrow to where it has been shown here. Then the other one, just draw something like a rectangular jar, okay? But you won't close the mouth. Is that clear?
Okay.
So this is like what you're going to draw for that one, and you make sure the mouth is left open, okay? That's for the first container, and you put the um, and this is the second container. You now put all the labelings of the markings there, okay?
Okay.
Like 500 here, okay? 500, then 400, 300. Is that clear?
Yes.
200 and 100. So if I will repeat that, I'll repeat that for this one, the same 500, okay?
Okay.
Then I can write it at the other end. 500, 400, 300, 200, and 100. So Now, for you to fill up the stuff, you just put the first one. They said 300, and you just put your dot 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 dot. You know, something like this. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Just to represent the liquid or the water. Then the second one that is 450, you mark 450 here. Then you fill it up. Okay, is that clear? Annabelle, can you hear me? Okay, good,
Yeah.
good. Then for the when you pour them together, you're still going to get a bigger container for them. Okay,
Okay.
and this time around, hold on, I need to do that again. A bigger container. So once it's a bigger container, we'll pour the two, uh, liquid or two jars of water inside it. Then we mark it up to 750. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a wider container. So it has the ratings beside it, which is this is my 750 because I already know that, and this is 1 liter, which is 1000 ml, 750 ml. Then this is 500 ml, and this is 250 ml. Okay.
Okay.
So once you're through with this, you let me know. Okay, and of course the water. Oh, sorry, let me use another color for that. The liquid is gonna be inside after you have poured them together. So you can start now with the first one. Yeah. So this is this one. Let's see. So let me see.